Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two, Salesforce and Close CRM platform. So we decide which of these can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. Talking about Salesforce. Salesforce is a powerhouse CRM built for large business that need advanced automation, deep analytics, and customization. It's packed with tools for sales, service, marketing, all in one ecosystem. However, it can feel overwhelming for smaller teams due to its steep learning curve and high cost. On the other hand, Close CRM is built for speed and simplicity. It's perfect for sales teams that want built-in calling, email, and automation without the pack of enterprise tools. While it's easier to use and more affordable, it lacks the deep features and scalability Salesforce offer. So, talking about the overall conclusion, for me, Salesforce wins for enterprise power while Close CRM shines for fast, focused sales team. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about the two CRM platform, and if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.